Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today is the last day for this AMC option. It is now deep in the money. So let's see if I can roll it out to next week. Hopefully AMC is going to have a better week next week than they did this week. So let's see if I can do a diagonal down to 57. Alright. See if I can just make that happen. At least I get a little bit of premium. Alright, view the order. Didn't go through yet. Right, I'm not sure why. Oh, it filled. Okay, let's go back. Now we have AMC at $57 for next week. It's a $5,700 exposure to risk. My cost for this, if I would put the stock, is now down at $46. So while I'm still probably okay, it's getting close. So let's hope we see another short squeeze next week and it pop up this in the 60s. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.